Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 6 June 2025, Nifty Index opened on a flattish note and witnessed strong buying interest in the first half, with bulls driving the index up from an intraday low of 24,613 to test the 24,900 zone. However, in the second half, the index gave up some of its gain due to selling pressure at higher levels, leading to a volatile swing in the latter part of the session. Despite the volatility, Nifty closed with gains of over 100 points, settling near 24,750. On the technical front, it formed a small-bodied bullish candle and is now forming higher lows from the last couple of sessions, indicating buying interest on dips and a potential base building near lower levels. India VIX was down by around 4% to 15 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.98. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,300 to 25,300 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 208 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,382 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 16.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,700 for an up move towards 25,100, while support can be seen at 24,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,555 for an up move towards 56,161 zones, while support can be seen at 55,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Angel One, Coforge, Naukri, HAL and Glenmark. Its some weakness could be seen in Havells, Bank of Baroda, Trumbull Fertilizers and Torrent Power. Wish you a super day ahead and a lovely weekend. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.